Why network marketing? You know, that's a question that a lot of people ask, and they're just looking for a simple answer. Every company in America takes the shape of a triangle. Some people call it a pyramid, but if you look at the Microsofts, Best Buy, Sprint, Verizons, they all have less people on top, more people on the bottom. Think about it. President, vice president, regional managers, district managers, local managers, and at the bottom is employees. The question now is, where are you and I? Well, you and I have been told to go to school, get good grades, and when we come out with our degrees, we're told to start at the bottom. And we're told to see how high we can get. Do we really make it to the top? Oh, the answer to that is no. Most people get downsized, let go, laid off, and then they start over at the bottom of a new company. However, the top makes all the money. They drive the nice cars, they live in the nice homes, and they make money when they don't work. The rest of us live paycheck to paycheck, and we're paying last month's bills with this month's check, and if we work, we make money. If we don't work, we don't make money. So why network marketing? Well, you're not the only person responsible for your income. J. Paul Getty said he'd rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% of his own. And that's what building a sales team will allow you to do. In network marketing, you can introduce a few people. Maybe they're better than you. And they introduce a few people who introduce a few people. And now you have hundreds, thousands of people that are responsible for your income. And you now have time freedom. You can pick up your kids when you want to. You can spend time with your family when you choose to. You can retire whenever you want to. And you can will this business off to your children. It's a legacy.